Welcome to a Balsam Knits video tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a bobble that is instructed in the Balsam Knits Coronet Beret and the Balsam Knits 8 Ballet Pullover and Tee. So here I have prepared a chunky vanilla sample, and I've knit to the place where I want to make my first bobble, where my instructions tell me to. Okay, so the actual bobble is knit in rows, so I'm going to talk about rows here, even though in the beret and the pullover or tee, they are knit in the round. So just remember that the actual instruction of the bobble is in rows. So in this first stitch, I'm going to, so the main fabric here is on the reverse stockinette, the purl side. The first instruction is to knit 5 times into the one stitch. So this is how we do it. We knit 1, bring it to the back, knit once again, knit to the front, 3, knit to the back, 4, and the final time into the front, making 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn work. Purl 4 for row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops! Purl 5 for row 2, of course. So, and turn work. So we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are our 2 setup rows. Now row 3, we're going to slip 1, knit 2, 1, 2, and knit 2 together. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. Scooch that up. You can start seeing it curving, starting to take shape. Turn work. Slip 1, purl 1, purl 2 together. Turn work. You can start to see it, the formation. Now we're going to do a SKP. SK2P. We're going to slip 1 knitwise, knit the 2 stitches together, whoops, with the yarn back, with the yarn behind, slip 1 knitwise, knit 2 stitches together, whoops, not to splice it, and pass the slip stitched over. Look at that beautiful bobble. Now we are going to finish the bobble by choking it. It's true. So the stitch is on the right needle. So we're going to bring the yarn from the back to the front, around the left side of the bobble, slipping the stitch back to the left needle, and then finish wrapping the yarn around the right, and then knitting through the back loop of that last stitch, pulling tightly to make sure that you have correctly strangled this little bobble.